Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the basis of accounting. So, what is the objective of accounting? The objective of accounting is to ascertain the profit and loss for the business. And how will you ascertain the business profit and loss account? There are two methods in which you can calculate the profit or loss account of the business. One is cash basis of accounting. The other one is accrual basis of accounting. So, today we are going to learn about cash basis of accounting. What do we mean by cash basis of accounting? So, cash basis of accounting is where the income is recorded in the books of accounts only when it is received in cash. Any revenue, any income you generate, if you receive that in cash, then only you will record that in the books of accounts. Similarly, for expenses, the expenses will be recorded in the books of accounts only when the payment is made for them. If you utilize any kind of utility and you pay any salaries, they will be recorded in the books of accounts when the cash is paid for them. So what does that mean? The credit transactions, any purchases you are doing on a credit basis, will not be recorded in the books of accounts. Suppose you purchased goods on a credit basis, that will not be recorded. So the income and expenditure will be recorded only when the cash is exchanged. So how will you calculate your profit and loss? You will make a receipt and payment account. All the receipts you will record on the one side of the account, and the payments made on account of salary, wages, utility, any fees you are paying, those will be recorded as a payments. And the difference would be excess of receipts over payments. So this is the cash basis of accounting. And generally, who uses this kind of a method of accounting? Mostly the lawyers or the doctors, the professionals basically. They uses this method of accounting for knowing the profit and loss for the period. So that was the cash basis of accounting. We will cover the accrual basis of accounting in our next videos. Do tune in for more updates on the basis of accounting. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.